Okay, so today I get to make new coilover mounts for this 57 truck I'm working on. It drives like shit. We've done a bunch of tweaking on it, adjusting the 4-link and stuff like that. I finally got to looking at the actual springs today, and I realized that normally whenever you have your coilovers in the rear, you know, they're either parallel or you can angle them up to like 25 degrees to 30 degrees, which is kind of like that, something like that. Well, I got to looking at these, they were set at about 45. So they're literally angled in like that, which is just crazy. It's way too extreme. It doesn't, when they're angled this much, when you hit a bump or when you turn, you're not even really using any of the spring just because of the way the angle is. And so it's just getting crazy body roll. So even though this truck is only like 4 or 5 inches off the ground, it feels like it's a, you know, big tall 4-wheeler, like it wants to tip itself over. I've adjusted everything that I can to try and make it where it's not like this. There's no other way other than making all new mounts, all new top shock mounts on the outside of the frame. So, you know, nothing's ever easy with these, especially when you're redoing something that was done bad before. But it's going to be a lot nicer in the long run because now you can actually drive the truck and not feel like you're going to fall. You know, it doesn't feel like you're going to have so much body roll that you're going to fall over the damn thing. So let's get to cutting and see what happens. Probably cue the time lapse so you're not listening to the goddamn grinder for the next 20 minutes. Now we gotta just repeat that. Time lapse that shit.